the 2025 BMW 5 Series impeccably merges luxury, performance, and technology, offering an unmatched driving experience. Sitting elegantly between the trim 3 Series and the luxury-laden 7 Series, the 5 Series is a harmonious balance of sophistication and sportiness. With its sleek exterior and a high-tech, luxurious interior, this BMW stands out. It's available in stunning variants, from the lively 530 to the powerful 550e xDrive plug-in hybrid, each delivering an exceptional performance with a touch of eco-conscious driving. Complete with high-end tech features, luxury seating options, and cutting-edge safety technologies, it ensures every journey is enjoyable and secure. Meet the 2025 BMW 5 Series, a reimagined executive sedan that blends high-end comfort with head-turning power. It's not just a drive, it's an experience. Let's dive into what makes this midsize marvel one of BMW's most compelling creations yet. Positioned perfectly between the agile 3 Series and the opulent 7, the new 5 Series finds its sweet spot, sophisticated, spacious, and subtly sporty. For 2025, BMW keeps the redesign from last year, but refines the formula with the introduction of the range-topping 550e plug-in hybrid, delivering bold performance with a greener footprint. Visually, the 5 Series stays sleek and modern, with clean body lines, a wide stance, and that unmistakable BMW presence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes quiet luxury. Plush supportive seats, heated, ventilated, and even massaging if you choose the luxury seating package, are ideal for long drives or daily commutes. Materials are top tier, with options like genuine leather or BMW's eco-conscious Veganza upholstery. Subtle details like glass controls and integrated climate vents elevate the vibe without overdoing it. Add the optional panoramic glass roof, and natural light floods the interior, giving passengers in every seat a first-class feel. Tech lovers, buckle up. Every 2025 5 Series comes standard with BMW's curved display. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system is responsive, customizable, and loaded with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Want to kill time while parked? BMW's AirConsole lets you play video games right from the display. It's luxury, gamified, and with the available head-up display, you'll always have key info in your line of sight, without ever taking your eyes off the road. Let's talk performance. The 2025 lineup starts with the 530i, powered by a 255 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, refined, efficient, and quick enough for everyday fun. Upgrade to the 540i, and you're looking at a silky smooth 375 horsepower turbo inline-six with standard all-wheel drive and a 48-volt mild hybrid system for enhanced responsiveness. Then there's the headliner, the 550e xDrive plug-in hybrid. A 483 horsepower beast, pairing a turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor for instant torque and thrilling acceleration. 0 to 60 in just 4.0 seconds. Whether you're after efficiency, power, or the perfect blend of both, the 5 Series delivers. Even with a shift toward comfort, the 5 Series still knows how to dance. Equipped with the M Sport package, you get a firmer suspension, sharper steering, and upgraded brakes. At our test track, the 530i stopped from 70 miles per hour in just 156 feet, a testament to BMW's engineering precision. It's not an all-out sports sedan. That's the upcoming M5's job. But it strikes a perfect balance between smooth cruising and spirited cornering. Efficiency hasn't been left behind. The 530i delivers an impressive 27 mpg city and 35 mpg highway, while the 540i manages 26 mpg city and 33 on the highway. As for the plug-in hybrid 550e, with its 19.4 kilowatt-hour battery, BMW estimates about 40 miles of all-electric range, perfect for urban commutes with zero emissions. Safety is standard and smart. Every 5 Series includes automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Want more confidence on the highway? Opt for BMW's Highway Assistant, which offers hands-free driving on select roads, making long trips smoother and less stressful. The 2025 BMW 5 Series starts at $59,875 for the 530i and goes up to $74,575 for the performance-loaded 550e xDrive. Our pick, the 540i xDrive, a perfect middle ground of luxury, tech, and power. In a world of compromises, the 2025 BMW 5 Series is refreshingly complete. Whether you're chasing comfort, craving cutting-edge tech, or yearning for effortless performance, the new 5 Series is ready to deliver. Because when you drive a BMW, you're not just getting from A to B, you're enjoying the journey.